Join Ohio State Police Officer Fair for his shift. Start of shift, 3 p.m. meetings and loading up the cruiser. Patrolling campus. Assisting with a traffic stop. Time to fuel up. Employee noticed cracked windshield, help them take a report. Calibrating the LiDAR speed gun. Traffic enforcement, watch your speed. 47 miles per hour in a 25. Just a warning today, please slow down. Time for food. Patrolling campus including the oval and parking garages. An alarm was tripped, let's check it out. All clear. End of shift, 11 p.m. Thanks for joining me.